This is Matt and this is a video on how to create an Instagram account. Now I'm going to go pretty slow with this. We're going to go through the whole process. I've literally just clicked, well, I've searched for Instagram on Google, so you might have done that. You could go to instagram.com directly. So let's click on Instagram. We're not going to log in here. We're going to click sign up. So this is a fresh Instagram account. If you already have a Facebook account, you can log in with Facebook. If not, you need to go through this process right here. So you can sign up with your mobile number or an email. I'm going to use this, one of my email addresses. Then password, I'm just going to generate a password using this little program which I have right here. This is just called Dashlane, so I'm going to save that. But yeah, you'll enter your password here. Then you will go to, let's put the full name in there, and then you will enter a username. So what are we going to go for here? This might be taken. What we can do is we can click here and see if the username is in fact taken. This will actually just give us one that hasn't been taken. So just for the purposes of this video, we're going with this one right here, stpia_no_player, which is admittedly quite weird. Next, we click next, and then birthday wise, you can enter your birthday right here. It's just defaulting to that date, so I'm just going to go with like a random birthday right here. You can enter your real birthday if you want, and Instagram will probably wish you happy birthday on your birthday, maybe, I don't know. Click next, and we will now have a confirmation code sent to the email that we registered with. So I'm just going to pause the video here and do that. Okay, I now have the confirmation code. So what you want to do is that will be sent to the email that you registered with. So you just grab that code from the email and punch it in there and then click next. Instagram will work its magic. It's just taking a little while here. And just like that, we have an account. We can now okay the cookies here. You can decline optional cookies or allow all cookies. So I just clicked on decline there for the optional ones. And the Instagram account has been created. Now, we can find friends and accounts that we like. So let's just go with these default ones that it's given us here, just because this is kind of a demo account. So we can just click on next there. And then we are into the process of actually checking out. So these are just the random people that I just added through that. And we can start to customize a profile. So if you click on profile, you can click right here and you can actually add a profile picture. You can click edit profile right here. You can add your bio. Links you can only do through mobile. I'm doing this on desktop just so it's easier to record the video. You can add your gender here if you want to as well. Apparently you can add a custom gender. And you can show account suggestions on profiles. That's on by default. You can of course turn that off and submit there, and those changes will go through. Obviously you want to add a photo. You've got all of your different options here, and you can just start using Instagram. You can start going through and liking different things on the feed right here. So hopefully you found this video on how to create an Instagram account from scratch useful. If it's been helpful for you, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.